This video is complete satire, not meant to be serious in any way possible. Do not take this video seriously. Thanks.
Hey, do you have trouble drinking your beverage? First of all, you're an idiot. Stop. We have things for idiots like you. It's called the Co-op.
And this is
It's never gonna catch on. Jimmy, we agreed to who's in front of the camera? This new 21st century technology allows you to drink your drink without any problem. Buy yours today for only 3 easy payments of $9.99, $99.99, $99. And if you buy it now, you get a free ticket to the Illuminati cult. We have a thing for idiots like you guys spit. That was gross. I'm sorry. Okay. This is gonna be a lot to edit. So I have trouble go. I can't. Wait, how delicious!